Alright, we're going to try this again. Here's the directions. First time I did it on time-lapse. Second time I did it, no volume, no sound. Third time, well, we're going to give it another go. Alright. Directions. You know us guys, we don't really believe in them, but we will look at diagrams. And well, this one seems to be a lot of diagram and very little else. So I'm okay with that. This is a bum gun bidet sprayer from Shat Tap, something like that. Anyway, it cost me about 15 bucks on Amazon. Anyway, okay, I don't know what they're for, but there's a pair of them. I'll look at, I guess. Anyway, always useful. Yeah, Teflon tape. Yes, I've done this 3 times now, so it's all out of the box. Alright, here's your little hook to hang it on the side of the toilet. Here's the, I think, 4 or 6 foot, I'm not sure. 120 centimeter shower tube. And here's the valve for the whole 9 yards. So, yes. They want you to turn it on and off each time you use this dang thing. Apparently they don't have any trust in the fact that they built something and it's not just going to leak all over the place, being this part. We'll see. If it does, I can turn it on and off each time. But anyway, they give me the stuff, the washers and the gaskets and grommets and everything else I'm going to need in here, so yay that. But yeah, this is today's project. I at least looked at the instructions. So yeah, I hope I didn't go through this too fast, but it is what it is. And like I said, this is my 3rd time through due to my technical errors. Because, well, what? Some guy actually read the instructions? Oh, hell no. Can't do that. Anyway, this is my project today. But to get it done, I also have to get my vacuum cleaner out and vacuum everything up from around there, you know, because this is going to be up behind the toilet. And I don't get back there that often, so I might as well get in there and get that part cleaned up. And because I'm going to have to clean that part up, I'm going to go ahead and clean the whole bathroom floor. So that's going to be even more fun because, hey, everybody loves to mop the bathroom floor. Yeah. Especially when you have the cat box in there. So I got to take the vacuum to it and then mop it. Because, well, kitties, Patches and Callie, they just love throwing litter. Grounds, whatever you want to call that stuff. Yeah, they just love throwing that stuff everywhere in the bathroom. So it's a constant fight between me and them as to, yeah, keeping it clean. They win most of the time. I'm not a great housekeeper, I admit this. Anyway, this is, yeah, and oh, I had to change out the battery on it because, yes, I forgot to charge it, so I had to pull out another battery, put it in, and do this between these because it had already ran dead. So I've got my battery recharging there and a new one in here, so here we go. Anyway, this is so I can move to the Philippines, and yeah, there's the other attempts. Told you 3 times before. Yeah, 4th time's a charm, I guess. Anyway, this is Fish Out. I'm going to get busy on a project. Later, blessings, bye-bye. Okay. Let's see. I'm hoping I can get up in here without knocking all this around. Okay. But it don't make these things very, how should we say, easy to get to. I wonder if Plumber gets so much damn money. I swear some days I wonder, whoa, who wrote the book on stupid? 'Cause I'm sure been reading it this week. Oh! Shit. Oh, need a new bag. Well, that ain't gonna work. Okay. Well, can you see the mistake that I made? Anyway, yeah, it is what it is. Let me know in the comments if you see it. All right, this just came off there. I just wasted 3 hours running around finding out that I was trying to attach it to this end of this hose line, and it's not supposed to go there. It's supposed to go like this. Yay! So now let me get to work. But it is what it is. Hey. Well. Oops. Forgot to add something already. Okay. This is my new bum gun. Seems to work pretty good. Sadly, me being down on the floor to get it to work has destroyed me. And my back is like all bent out of shape and nothing's working right now. Anyway, fish out. Yay, new bum gun.